My name is Ed Eldridge. I'm Executive Vice President of Sales for the U.S., and I've been with Aquatherm for the past 4.5 years. Aquatherm is the greenest, most sustainable piping system on the planet. It's a polypropylene pressure piping system, half through 24-inch, that replaces steel, copper, and other inexpensive plastics. Aquatherm pipe is a pipe that will outlast the building, typically, and other piping systems that I just mentioned typically have to be repiped during the life of the building. And that's a tremendous advantage to the owners of the building. The company is almost 40 years old, and it has been installed in many installations around the world in over 70 countries. And the typical lifespan is 60+ years, which is usually older than most buildings last, whereas others have to be repiped maybe 2 or 3 times during that period of time. The future of Aquatherm, in my opinion, having been in the business for over 40 years, is this is the way piping will be done. And then in the next 10 years, I think you'll see a preponderance of it done our way because of the advantages that we've mentioned. Right now, we're the only ones in the United States, but there are other companies, and because of our success, there will be other ones coming around. But our main competition today has been copper and steel, where we have done very well, and it's something that you're not going to have to replace, and that's what building owners are looking for.
My name is Randy Borman. I work with McDonald Miller Facility Solutions in Seattle, Washington. I've been working with Aquatherm for about 6 years. The need for Aquatherm arose when the copper piping systems in the local area were starting to fail at rather short periods of time. When you're around systems that are failing because of mechanical means, one or another, or the water systems, and you can offer your client a guarantee, they're going to really like that as an advantage over the competitors. Our customers, the building owners, really like the fact that the Aquatherm is covered by a very good warranty. And if it's installed by a quality contractor with certified installers, it comes with a manufacturer's warranty that is unheard of on mechanical systems.
I'm Steve Clark, and I'm president of Aquatherm in North America. I've been with Aquatherm for 7 years, started out in Canada for a couple years, then they had me take over the U.S. division also. The head of engineering for a major hospital told me that every dollar they spend fixing piping systems that are failing is a dollar they can't spend on patient care. Aquatherm is the really leading company in the world for piping innovation, solving the issues that have been issues for piping for thousands of years with products that don't have those problems anymore. It's made out of just carbon and hydrogen, so it doesn't have any toxins or anything else in it. But some of our biggest customers are like universities, hospitals, industrial facilities. They have miles and miles of pipe. People that have used a certain type of material for 50 years, after 10 minutes are ready to drop it and switch to our material. Same thing with contractors who have been grown up and trained, spent their whole life soldering or welding or whatever, are more than happy to walk away from the stuff they've been using and switch to ours. For the first 10 years after you have our pipe installed in your building, if it develops a leak and it causes damage to your building, let's say there's mold or structural damage or something else, this policy will not only pay the cost of the pipe and the cost of labor to get in and remove it and replace it. Any damage it causes within those 10 years is covered by this policy, up to millions of dollars worth of damage per project.
My name is Adam Clark. I'm Director of Training and Marketing, and I've been with Aquatherm for about 7 years now. Pretty much anywhere where people want to be trained, we can get guys there with machines to train them. If you're interested in learning how to install the Aquatherm pipe, contact your local sales rep or your local wholesaler. They'll be able to put you in touch with a trainer that can give you the training course that will allow you to install Aquatherm pipe that is covered under Aquatherm Germany's warranty.
If you're watching this video and you're thinking about using the Aquatherm system, my advice would be to look into it and see what it could provide for you and your company and your customers.
Take the next step and visit our website at www.aquatherm.com so that we can arrange to come and show you the future of piping in America.